Asexual reproduction in Edogonium. Asexual reproduction in Edogonium. See, asexual reproduction in Edogonium done by the zoospores. Asexual reproduction in Edogonium done by the zoospores. See, children, here it is. In asexual reproduction, only cap cells are formed. Only cap cells are participated in the asexual reproduction. Only cap cells are participated in the asexual reproduction. The asexual reproduction occurs in the favorable conditions of the Edogonium. See, if the cap cells are participated in the asexual reproduction, the protoplast convert into a ball-like structure. Before the cap cells participated in asexual reproduction, that cap cells are called zoosporangium. Means zoospores are developed from the cap cells. So that cap cells are called zoosporangium. On the terminal part of zoosporangium, cap-like structures are present. In this zoosporangium or in this cap cell, protoplast convert into a ball-like structure. If protoplast convert into a ball-like structure, that protoplast convert into egg-like structure. The egg-like structure protoplast contains mucilage sheath at outside, and that protoplast convert into a ball-like structure or egg-like structure. That egg-like structure or ball-like structures are called zoospores. See, the egg-like or ball-like structure containing initially green color, it convert into two colorless parts, two unequal parts. One is colorless parts, another one is green color part. Between the colorless and green color part, blepharoplast particles are developed. The blepharoplast particles are mainly helps in producing of flagella. Between the green color and colorless part, blepharoplast particles are developed. From this blepharoplast, flagellas are developed. See, at the matured stage, the zoospores are pressure on the cap cell wall. By this pressure, cap cell wall is broken and zoospores are comes out from the zoosporangium or from the cap cell. The zoospores are containing more number of flagella. With the help of flagella, they are easily swim in rainwater and they reach to the normal or comfortable environment. And finally, they develop into new thallus of Edogonium. Before the development of zoospore, the zoospore loses their flagella. The flagellas are loses from the zoospore and colorless spot is attached on the substrate. Colorless spot of zoospore is attached on the substrate and green color part is enlarged into a tube-like structure. Colorless spot modified into hold fast cell. Colorless spot modified into hold fast cell. And above these hold fast cell, one green color cell is present. It is in rectangular structure. It participated in the cell divisions. Finally, 2 cells, 4 cells, 8. Continuation number of cell divisions. By these cell divisions, a long filamentous-like structure is developed from the cell. By this process, more number of cells are formed. They are developed into new Edogonium thallus. The new Edogonium thallus again containing cap cells and vegetative cells. At matured stage, the cap cells are act as a zoosporangium. From this zoosporangium, zoospores, ball-like zoospores or egg-like zoospores are developed. At the matured stage, the zoospores are pressure on the cap cell or zoosporangium cell wall and they are comes out from the zoosporangium. And they are easily swim in rainwater. Before the development or before the division of zoospores, they are loses their flagella. Colorless spot is attached with substrate with soil and it modified into hold fast cell, are also called basal hold fast cell. And green color part is enlarged into rectangular structure. It participated in the cell divisions. It continuously participated in the cell division. It developed into new Edogonium filament. It is the asexual reproduction in the Edogonium algae.